Hello, library friends. I brought with me today a book that is full of water. It's called Splish Splash. It is by Jeff Shepard and illustrated by Dennis Panic, which means Dennis made all the pictures for this. And we are hearing this courtesy of Macmillan Publishing. Thanks for letting us share. Oh, look at that beautiful blue lake. I see a bee on a flower. Splish, splash. A bee fell in the water. He went buzz, splash, buzz. When a bee falls in the water, that's what a bee does. Bee says buzz, splash, buzz, splash, buzz. Can you buzz along with bee? Let's try it again. Buzz, splash, buzz, splash, buzz. A mouse fell in the water, and much to his surprise, he got water in his ears, he got water in his eyes. Mouse says, squeak, splash, squeak, splash, squeak. Let's do it again. Mouse says, squeak, splash, squeak, splash, squeak. A pig fell in the water as he dreamed of eating cake. He was about to have a bite when he landed in the lake. Pig says, splash, splash. Can you guys make an oinking noise? A dog fell in the water. You know what he did then? He liked it so much that he fell in again. Dog says, woof, splash, woof, splash, woof, woof, woof. Oh, he enjoys that water, doesn't he? He likes to swim. Do you like to swim? I love to swim. A cow fell in the water. She looked a little grim. Cows like to wade, but cows don't like to swim. Cow says, moo, splash, moo, splash, moo. A duck fell in the water, and ducks understand. There it comes, in for a landing, right behind the cattails. Paddling in the water beats waddling on the land. Duck says, whack, splash, whack, splash, whack, 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 whack. Let's hear your best quacking. Whack, 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 whack. A cat fell in the water. She wasn't pleased at all. Kitties do not like to get wet. When cats fall in the water, they look very, very small. Cat says, meow, splash, meow, splash, meow. Oh, poor sad, soggy cat. A frog fell in the water with his flappy, froggy feet right next to the water lilies. Splashing in the water can be very, very sweet. Frog says, ribbit, splash, ribbit, splash, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Look how smiley that frog is. He is very happy to be in that lake. Diving and swimming, wading and playing. See if you can hear what the animals are saying. Let's see if we can make the noises of all those animals. There's the cow that says moo splash. And the kitty who says meow splash. And the piggy who says splash. How about the duck? What does the duck say? That's right, quack splash. And the froggy, splashing and plashing in the water, says ribbit splash. And the mouse, teeny little gray mouse, says squeak splash. And last but not least, there's that puppy dog. He says woof splash. And there's our bee that we started off with. I don't think the bee is going to splash. The bee does not like the water. That bee is going to buzz off towards the flowers. Goodbye, bee. The end. Splish Splash by Jeff Shepard.